In this video, I'll guide you through how to empty Gmail trash. Keeping your inbox organized isn't just about deleting emails, it also means making sure your trash is actually cleared out so those messages are removed for good and no longer taking up space. In Gmail, deleted emails first move to the trash folder where they sit for up to 30 days before being automatically removed. If you want them gone immediately, you'll want to empty your trash manually, and that's exactly what we'll walk through now. First, open Gmail. You can do this in a web browser on your computer by going to the Gmail website and signing into your account, or by opening the Gmail app on your mobile device. For this walkthrough, we'll focus on the desktop version in a browser, since that's where the Empty Trash Now option is most obvious and consistent. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account, especially if you manage multiple inboxes, so you don't accidentally clear the wrong trash folder. Once Gmail is open, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the sidebar that lists your different sections like inbox, sent, drafts, and more. If you don't immediately see trash in that list, you may need to click on more to expand the full menu. This reveals additional folders that Gmail hides by default to keep the sidebar clean. Scroll down until you find the trash section. It might also appear as bin in some regions, but it serves the same purpose. Go ahead and click on trash to open it. After you click trash, you'll see a list of all the emails you've deleted, but that haven't been permanently removed yet. This can include old newsletters, marketing messages, or conversations you decided you no longer need. At the top of this trash view, just above your emails, look for the option that says Empty Trash Now. This is the shortcut that lets you clear everything in one go instead of removing messages one by one. When you're sure you're ready to erase everything that's currently in the trash, click on Empty Trash Now. As soon as you click that, Gmail will ask you to confirm the deletion. This step is important because emptying the trash is permanent. Once you confirm, those emails are gone and you won't be able to recover them. A confirmation message will typically pop up saying something along the lines of, "This action will permanently delete all messages in trash." Take a brief moment here to think about whether there's anything you might want to keep. If you're confident you no longer need any of those emails, click to confirm the deletion. Gmail will then permanently delete all messages in your trash folder. Depending on how many emails are stored there, this might take a moment, but usually it's very quick. When it's done, your trash folder will appear empty and no messages will be listed. That's all there is to it. You've opened Gmail, navigated to the trash folder, used the Empty Trash Now option, and confirmed the deletion. Doing this regularly can help keep your account tidy and free up storage space, especially if you receive a lot of large attachments or newsletters.